Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how to download and install Genshin Impact on your PC step by step in 2025. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to open your web browser and go to official Genshin Impact website. So here you can see the URL about that place. Always download from the official site to avoid any problem. So on the home page, just click to the download now options. You will get that option. So here you can see this is the options. Just click on OK and PC download. Here play. So this will download the Genshin Impact Launcher installer file to your computer and then install the launcher. Once your installer has downloaded, open it, follow the on-screen instruction to install the Genshin Impact Launcher. Choose where you want the launcher to be installed and then click install. And when the installation is complete, open the Genshin Impact Launcher, log into your HoYoverse account. If you don't have one yet, just click sign up and to create a free account. Then download the game files. Inside the launcher, click the install button to download the full game. Make sure you have enough disk space. This game is quite large, so a good internet connection helps. Wait for the download its installation to finish. This can take some time. When the download is complete, click launch. In the launcher, log in with your HoYoverse account if you were not already. Pick your server regions and you are ready to explore Daypad. And that's it. Now you know how to download and install Genshin Impact on your PC in 2025. So if you love this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel.